my name is Jiahui. Today I will talk about the Design Studio Project Brave. In Assessment 1, I chose the Sustainable Development Goal 12 as my theme. The responsible consumption and production are the serious issue in nowadays for the human. Everyone is playing a significant role as the customers and producer in the world. In my design, I will focus on turning the linear economy into a circular economy. The aim is to reduce the unnecessary waste for the circular economy and reduce pollution and cost of the transportation from the local production and local sales, and it can bring out national characteristics of the region, promote the promotion of cultures while consuming and producing, and at the same time promote the local economic development. And the project brief. The proposition of my design is to design a platform that can be responsive to the Sustainable Development 12, which can help people to do the responsible consumption and the production while people's behavior in daily life. The end user is the customer in daily life. The stakeholder is the customer and the producer, and the client is everyone. And the President 1, the Green Square is the companies that provide the service for recycling textile from the household and organization, which is located in Singapore. These companies want to do the positive effect for the environment issue. The mission of them is to double the recycle range from 7% to the 40% in 2030. Moreover, they want to do show the positive image to the teenagers. The limitation is the surface area is small and difficult to make it popular, and the online app is not easy for the old people to use, and the pollution caused by the transportation and the recycling cost is difficult to solve the fundamental problem, and it is difficult for the customers to have environmental awareness. The President 2 is the tencel. The tencel is an eco-friendly fabric which is made by the leaf from the tree, and the benefit of that is good for the skin and is very natural, and this is a sustainable production, and the bacteria do not grow easy. The limitation is the high cost for the production, not popular for production to use, and the high price for the customers, and customers do not understand the origins of fabric, and it's not easy to degrade. The President 3, the Uniqlo recycling program. The Uniqlo is the famous Japanese brand for selling casual wear, and the Project Brave, Uniqlo only accept the items that from Uniqlo to donate, and customers can bring their Uniqlo garment to any Uniqlo store, and Uniqlo wants to collect the unworn Uniqlo garment for sustainable development. Customers should wash their clothes before donation, and the recycling garment will donate to the refugees or the disadvantaged group. And the limitation is this is the imperfect system, and there are no regulation to encourage customers to donate their clothes, and the cover range of recycled clothes is not wide enough. The Focal Type 1, the recycling and exchange apps. This app is used to give customer online contacts with a mobile phone clothes and exchange secondhand clothes, and this app is like the social app, and the system will give the recommendation clothes exchange in the same city, because it can reduce the emission by the transportation, and there will be the star mark on the products, which means the person who released the clothes know that the clothes is come from the environmental friendly material. And the app also allows people in the companies to collect clothes face to face, and this clothes will be sent to reuse or make a new product. And it can see from the software interface that is something like a map that can be detect with detect what clothes can be exchanged nearby, and the picture that people send to the internet. You can find more style nearby by checking and exchange them. And this software is a big like a combination of social software and shopping software. And this is the testing. Most of people thinks this one is the nitrite is interesting, and they like the door-to-door recycling, and they like the clothes. You can see the code from the app, and the photo type 2, the green shopping website. I decide to design web pages. On the web pages, you can see the recommend of the groups is popular in the normal shopping website. In order to the people's awareness of environment protection, the recommendation ranking of this page is based on the local manufacturing of goods, because the local make can reduce the emission from the transportation, as it can support the local economy, which can do the collecting from recycling easier. Moreover, this website can show the raw material of the product, which can make the customers having a sense to realize the different shopping experience. And this is the comments. Most people think the website is new, is fresh idea for them. And the prototype 3, the environmental friendly production system, and this system is designed for people to exchange the second-hand clothes. In this system, clothes are ranking according to the environmental production contents in the label, and the user upload the composition of the clothes, and they want to exchange and the photos of the clothes to the system, and the system will ultimately match the environmental production protection components with the new and old degrees to calculate the codes that you can replace. And people think this is the interesting design, but it's difficult to promote and let people to want to use this. And the second-hand clothes are still hard for people to accept. And changing clothes in this way encourage young people to support environmental protection. In this way, customer will think more before shopping, and they don't buy anything when they want to buy it, because they don't want to waste their money to buy clothes that they can't change. That's it. Thank you.